Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can make the Windows 11 taskbar or Windows 10 taskbar transparent. How to do that? Just you need to open the Microsoft Store. Simply open that up, and once you open that up, we need to search on here. You need to look for this option, transparent TB, and click on get option. This will also make your taskbar to the visible. It's installing. It's done now. Launch it. Let me cut it here. Click on continue. See, the system is taskbar has become transparent. You can see here guys. Simply we can maximize all the settings here. Just need to right click over there and go to more options, desktop, clear, show taskbar option, whatever, it's a normal. Now you can customize it to the clear. See, so I hope guys this video really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.